Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. As we have some events Q4 coming up like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. So we'll try to work with this niche from now on. If you are looking Q4 niche like Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, then this video is only for you. Today I'll show you Halloween activity book and Halloween coloring book niche. This is obviously micro niche. So if you are watching my video at the very first time, so please do subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends and family, whoever is interested in passive income. So we go to Amazon KDP Marketplace and we search our profitable micro niche bloodsucker Halloween activity book bloodsucker Halloween activity book. So bloodsucker Halloween activity book, here is a search results only 23. So obviously there is a micro niche and most profitable niche. So 23, there is a obviously there is a micro niche and there is no book. There is no book here. Bloodsugar Halloween activity book. So there is no book in the market. So you can obviously work from bloodsugar Halloween activity book. And now bloodsugar Halloween coloring book. COLORING coloring book. And there is results only shows 57. So use amount of chances to sell your book. So you can obviously upload bloodsucker Halloween coloring book and bloodsucker Halloween activity book. And here this book is published 2022 August 6. So market is empty, there is no book. Bloodsucker Halloween activity coloring book niche. So I think this is a most profitable niche, and personally I suggest you can work bloodsucker Halloween coloring book, bloodsucker Halloween activity book, and upload this Amazon KDP and earn more revenue from this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. So please like, comment and share my video. So thank you so much.